Hi guys, welcome back to another one. We are going to be making pineapple clove tea or clove pineapple tea, whichever order you want to put it, that is absolutely fine. Okay, this particular drink, you can drink it hot or you can drink it cold. I prefer it to drink it both way. If I've just made it, I like to have a cup of drink. If I haven't finished it, I'll keep it in the fridge and then drink in the next day, or preferably during the afternoon or something. But guys, this is the pineapple skin and this is my clove. Clove is very potent, so you don't actually need a lot of it. I didn't count how many I actually needed, but as you can see here, it looks like there's about more than 10. Okay, but you actually don't need to put that amount in. I was just being extra. Guys, before we move on, I just want to invite you to come and connect with me on this platform, on this channel. Guys, make sure that you do me a massive favor, because you're going to be helping me to grow on the platform. Click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. So moving forward, so I've put the pineapple in with the water. You can wait for the water to boil, or you can just do what I did and have no patience and then just, you know, wait for the water to warm up and then put your pineapple skin in. I'm just going to put all of that in. Like I said, you don't have to put all of it in. Clove is absolutely good. You can use it as a spice for different recipes that you can put as a spice, or you can just do what I'm doing right now. And I've been using it for my hair spray. Guys, what I've also been using with clove is I've been boiling it, and the water I've been using it as a spray for my hair, which it's been interesting. I believe if you want to grow your hair, that's one of the ways, but I don't really want to grow my hair anyway. I like the length that it's at right now. But yeah, if you ever want any hair growth remedy, apparently clove is meant to be very good. But yes guys, so that's gonna boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Clove is really good. It promotes bone health. It may reduce stomach ulcers, and it can regulate sugar. So also I've added the sugar in this recipe, but guys, you really don't have to, because you can bring everything to boil, simmer it down and add some honey, or drink it like that. But I've actually added sugar. I did put about 1 tablespoon of sugar or 2 teaspoons of sugar. So that's boiling now. And what I did as well, guys, with this recipe, once the water finished boiling and I put it to the side, I let it sit overnight. Okay, because I made this recipe quite late, I actually didn't need to drink the drink, so I've left it overnight so that the pineapple can infuse a bit more, you know. So I left it overnight, and the next day, that's what I used to kind of drink throughout the day as my nice cold beverage, which is filled with goodness upon goodness, because it's very nutritional, with really good health benefit, and it's antioxidant. But that's the pot right here. So it's been left overnight, so now I'm just gonna drain it. Okay, so yeah, so just get a strainer, and then that is as simple as it get. And get your mason jar or just any jar ready, so that you can leave the leftover in the jar. At this point, I really don't need the pineapple skin anymore for what I'm doing. But yeah, that is the end result. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. That is the end result. So it's pineapple, sugar, and clove. I also added a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, I didn't have fresh lemon, so I added lemon juice, and that is my drink right there. That's all I'm gonna need. As of when I need to use more, then I obviously use it. But guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye.